Welcome to a new Brolex video. So today we're gonna be reviewing candies and snacks that we haven't tried before, and I'm here with the crew. So first we got Angel.
Coward.
Okay, you get your dumb ahead of you. Okay, so first we got Angel on the bus. Okay, then we got Anthony, the friend Anthony. Yeah, he's addicted to candy, and right here, your boy
Pumpkin.
or known as also Edgardo. So yeah, so the first candy we're gonna try, what should we try first? What should we try first?
Let's try out. This one looks good.
Nah, this one. That one's like, let's save it for the like ending. Yeah, I feel like that was gonna be a good one. Okay, the first one we're gonna try is some Zumba Hot. So
I'm guessing it's spicy.
Really, nigga?
yeah, from the
It's
name.
hot,
Stop it.
It's pretty
Get some
nice,
help.
bruh. And can you open it? Here, see? I know, yeah.
Nope, it's hard.
For real?
Really, nigga?
Have you seen my gaming channel?
You have a gaming channel?
Yeah.
Okay, Anthony has a gaming channel. It would pop out right there.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, go subscribe. And yeah, go follow, like, and his videos if you have any. Yeah, and also comment down below what is your favorite snack. So yeah.
Oh my god, there's a bee on though.
Oh my.
Oh my god, there's a freaking bee on those snacks.
Fuck you, bee. I'm sorry, I don't like killing bees, but you're scaring the shit out of me now. Guys, I didn't kill a bee. Please do not cancel me. So yeah, we're gonna try some of this. I finally opened it. So yeah, Anthony, Angel, you try first. Shitter.
Oh, these are hard. What the hell?
I know. Yo, Anthony, need that candy.
This guy look old. Kinda a little bit.
It looks expired. It has been not expired since.
3.
Wait, we haven't got it.
Tell me when. Okay.
Okay, so yeah.
Open this.
3, 2, 1.
Kinda tastes like lemon.
That's pretty good. It tastes alright.
This is more sour than flipping spicy. You have the little touch of spice.
Actually, like, I like the flavor of it. If you have just a little bit at a time. But it's like really sour.
I agree.
And it's like not even spicy. It should be sour Zumba. Okay, but
Okay.
it's pretty good. Not gonna lie.
What do we review it?
It's really chunky. I wish it was a little bit more powderier.
Yep.
Like tahini.
Yeah, I'll give it like a.
It's pretty good though.
I'll
Pretty
give
good.
it a 8 out of 10. Okay, solid. I'll give
Solid?
it also 8 out of 10.
I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Only because it's really tiny and it costs us $2. So yeah, not just joking. I think it cost us $1. It's pretty good, but $6. I mean 6 out of 10 because I like the flavor, but it's just too much. Yeah. So
Okay, now
which one?
Go with what is it? Maybe this one. Little cakes.
how about the bricks?
The brick side. Bad. Is this edible?
Well, the next one we'll do the cakes.
The cakes. Is this edible?
Yeah. So at first glance you might think this is like a toy. It does look like a toy that you just
Like a blind bag.
Yeah, true, bro. Anthony's very smart here. Yeah, it looks like a blind bag. It says build E. Oh yeah,
I think
but
it is.
it says that it has a choking hazard. So
If
it
it's a
has
little
to be.
baby, then it's kind of bad.
It says 3 and up. So Angel can't eat it.
Really, nigga?
I just joke.
Anthony's 1 and 3. Why am I baby?
So we finally got it.
Bruh, this is too hard. Oh my god.
Dude, legit, look at it. It looks like somebody bit it on.
Literally, they did though.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Bro, actually, wait,
Okay, let me get some more of this. This actually is
This is pretty good. Moto!
We better get a scissors right now.
No, got it.
I thought you got it.
had to open it from the, like, bite it into it. Packaging, already rated a 6 out of 10 for the staff. The packaging is low.
What? This actually looks like Legos.
Just good too. Just pretty
It
good.
also looks like Legos. Here. Looks like real Legos. Wait, let me see if you can build on them. Oh, let's No, you can't. You can't.
You okay?
No, you can't.
You can build.
These nuts.
Only a little bit, like 2 stacks, but I like the flavor.
Where's the thing, bro?
What flavors are there? No fucking flavors.
No, it doesn't show flavors, bro.
Look at them.
Yo, I'm gonna be loving it out here. Even walking around the house, like, oh yeah, he's kissing the air right now.
It kind of feels like Chamoy, but like white version.
Oh my god, this actually looks like pretty much Legos.
It just like more flavor. And it, like, I like the flavor.
Also, I like the creativity of making Legos. And the
Yeah,
gardening.
kids will definitely like this. They have to be 3 in order though. Even though like the 3 noodles can still choke on this shit. I almost did. So, I rate that. What do you guys rate it?
I rated it at 10 out of 10. I rated it at 9.5 out of 10.
I rated it 8.5 out of 10 because the flavor is really good, but the packaging. Ah!
Okay, I didn't give it a 10 because of the packaging too.
That's true.
I could have given it a 10, but then the packaging. Why is this so hard?
Yeah, the packaging. Yeah.
It kind of looks like a blind bag.
Yeah, legit. Like a kid would definitely be happy about that though. So the next product we're gonna try is the
cupcake.
cupcakes.
I think it's birthday.
Well, this is like you guys
I
might
think
have
this
tried
is
it.
birthday edition.
Yeah, this is the birthday cupcakes. So
Edition.
yeah. So yeah, they look pretty good. They look pretty cracked.
I like the Legos a lot.
Yeah, the Legos are. They look pretty good.
Wait. Let me try something. Hey, let me try some
Ooh,
Legos.
the Lego and the powder both together.
That was. It's just how the little Legos turn sour, and then they actually sour with the left.
What the? That so it'd be buzzing though, right?
That would be awesome.
Alright.
If they added that together, like Lego spicy. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Alright guys, so
I'm gonna try the cupcake.
the next product is gonna be the cupcakes, and the packaging is so much better. I already give it a 10 out of 10 by the packaging.
Bro, why is that Lego one is